Gotta go on. I'm sorry, Oonie. Goodbye.
My hair!
Your hair?
No!
I'm Yumi. I'm Sachi.
And I'm Kimi.
And we just graduated from University!
Yeah!
I got a bachelor degree of Oonies.
Yeah!
And to celebrate graduating from University, we are going to show you guys how to make some cool crafts with the Oonies that we learned when we were in University.
Alright, so these are super cute. Over here I have the Oonies Inflator Starter Pack. And there it is. Look at how adorable they are, guys.
I have the Oonies Pellets Mega Refill Pack. And you have
She's just like, I'm excited
Ocean
about
Adventure
graduating.
Theme Pack. Yeah!
Exactly, so let's make some super cute Oonies.
Alright, so let's get started and make some Oonie balloons.
Alright, let's do
I'm
it.
gonna grab an Oonies pellet. Let's take off the Oonies chamber and open it up. Now we're gonna stick the Oonies pellet inside the chamber and close it up. Let's lock it into place. Use the locking lever and inflate. Gotta get that perfect Oonie size. Perfect, all right. And here we have our Oonies balloon. All right, so time to make some awesome Oonies crafts. And right here I have my
Let's
mini
do it.
little shark monkey hybrid thing. And it's cute, so
It is
yeah.
cute. Alright, let's get to it.
I'm
Here's
gonna make
a shark
a
thing.
rainbow of Oonies.
Here is a cat I'm working on right now. I think it looks pretty cool, but let's spice it up a bit. Alright, what should I add? You
Here's
look
a
like you
bird
could
I
use a
made.
cool tail. You can get a green one. Oh, that actually looks really cool. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, these orange ones. Okay.
Here is a dinosaur.
Oh my gosh, it looks awesome now. Here is my cat. Meow. Wait, no, it needs to be cool.
Meow. What was that, meow?
Meow.
Meow.
It is a unicorn cat. Ta-da!
Seriously?
With a lizard tail.
I
With
would make
lizard
a bunny,
tail.
but there
With
is no
lizard
stuff
tail.
to make a bunny.
All right, so I'm gonna make a cool headband.
I'm gonna make a bird.
Make a band.
Alright, there's lots of pieces that are already done, so all you have to do is just pop it on. So it's really easy. And literally all you do is you just put it onto your Oonie. Ta-da! Oh no, that eye's really crooked. So I'm gonna make a flower. Alright, look at you. And we'll grab, what color flower should we make?
Pink.
Pink it is.
No, this red.
Red?
Yeah,
I don't think there's enough. There might be enough. Well, I'm doing pink now.
So I'm gonna add some faces on this majestic
Oh my gosh, it
hairband.
looks so
See how
cool.
it looks. Doesn't look bad. That looks cute.
Use more connectors for more flower petals.
Here's a
All right.
lizard I just made right now.
Not bad, not
I
bad.
have to add some rings.
And then I'm just popping on an Oonie. And as you can see, we have the pattern going. All right, and I'm gonna put you down right there. Ta-da. All right, and
I
this
know
one
what
looks
I'm gonna
good.
make.
What are you making?
Yuffie.
Dun, 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 dun.
What is that? Your dun 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 dun.
Ta-da! It's a flower. Oh, there it is. Super cool, and it can go on your door or whatever, and it will look fabulous. All right, here's my unicorn cat. It's super cute, and I used lots of different colors because I thought it looked really cool. And then over here, I have my super cool bird with a mohawk, and there it is, and it's rocking its look. And then here is an unfinished. I was going to make it into some sea creature of some sort, but like, I don't know what happened to it. But there it is. All right, and then Kim, why don't you show them some of yours? She has a lot of cool ones.
Here is a little bird that I made. And
Oh wait, no, I didn't look it right.
no, where's the tail? All right. Here's a lizard.
Oh wait, can I see this? Oh, it's cute. Ta-da!
And I also made a dinosaur. Oh, great, its mouth, it fell off. This can be its mouth.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
Still got an eye in it.
Ah! That's from its breakfast. It was a
There.
fish. Oh my
Here
gosh,
is
that's
the new
scary.
dino.
Ah!
Here's a bunny with a short ear that looks weird.
Oh, I thought you said a funny instead of a bunny.
And that's all I have.
Yay!
Except
All right,
for
now
this
let's look
weird
at
thing I just
Sachi's.
made.
So here I have my awesome headband, tiny little faces and things on
so
there.
cute.
And here is my failed attempt at a tiny cute little shark thing.
It looks cute still.
Thank you. So yeah, that's a little shark thing. This is my headband. Boop. I should stick the shark on top. Boop.
All right, now what should I make? Oh, guys.
Yumi's direction.
No, guys, you know what we should do?
What?
What?
See who can make the tallest Oonies tower.
Not Tully's. Tallest Oonies tower?
Yes, okay, I call purple. Purple is my color.
I call green.
All right, use a connector as the base.
I call whatever colors I take.
Do it on your hand.
Wait, we
it
need a
adds
base.
to the challenge.
I need a base.
Whoa!
No, don't fall, please.
Oh no, is it gonna fall? Can that count? What? It counts?
No!
Oh my gosh.
Uni!
Okay. Oh no.
I gotta go on. I'm sorry, Uni. Goodbye.
My hair!
Your hair?
No, Kimi. All right,
Can I go back in? Or is that it?
you can go back in. But you have to be quick. Gotta catch up with us.
It's standing, guys. It's standing.
Need a base.
I'm using this blue.
It's standing! Oh my gosh,
There's
it's standing!
bases
Oh my
here,
god!
Kim.
Wait. I got one base.
Guys, look at this, guys. Look at this. It actually worked. Look.
Ta-da! Here it is, guys. Mine looks kind of weird. It's not like exactly like singles going up, but it is standing. Oh my gosh, Kim, what are you doing?
Trying to make it not.
It's abstract art. Ta-da! Wait, ready?
Ah!
I'm gonna hold it upside down. And it lives. Oh no, now it's falling apart now that I said that. Why did I say that?
Yeah, you
All right.
won.
Shout out time!
Yay!
Alrighty then. Okay, first shout out goes to Kawaii Bunny
I
Pop.
made a moon and
We had this little creature. It was named.
that?
It was named Yumi. It grew another body, grew more eyes,
it's named Ui.
and
What is it?
I don't know.
Are you not concerned that its other body has
Here,
like
Umi,
3 eyes?
we just grew like 50 bodies.
Save the cat. Alright, so first shout out goes to Kawaii Bunny Pop. Pygmy Pups are the cutest. Nice name. Next shout out goes to
cute.
Ravishing Angel. Guys, do a slime
Here we
tutorial.
Of course, you
That'd
know
be so
I love
cool.
slime, and I know how to do
Oh,
tutorials.
fishbowl would be nice.
Fishbowl.
Next shout out goes to Active Girl. Hey guys, I would love it if you could give me a shout out. I've never had one, and it's my birthday. And could you please do the Pogo
Shout out! Happy
Please give me a
birthday!
shout out. You guys are awesome. Okay, first off, happy birthday. You
Happy
can take
birthday.
this. I don't even know what that is
Ui.
anymore.
We
And
dedicate Ui to you.
yeah, we dedicate Ooey to you. And yeah, totally. We'll check out what the Pogo Stick Challenge is. All right, I love you all so much, Team KidToyTesters. Yeah. All right, and then you get the next one. I'll be nice. I'll share.
All right. Next shout out goes to
Also, I want to play this.
Rosalva Camp. Please get a shout out. I love you guys all. You're the best. No, you're the best. Thank you so much. Love you too.
It's attacking. The camera's attacking.
Next shout goes to Shasai16. Oh, how cute! I love the huge ones that have smaller
no.
versions of that. Oh
Ah.
my gosh, I agree. It's so cute. They have like little baby children. And last shout out goes to Bia Galerion. Literally, my baby sister is loving you. Every time you upload a video, my baby sister is freaking out. Oh my gosh, Tara, we love you so much. You're super cute. Oh,
Oh my gosh, Shelly, love you.
what was that?
That was the cause of us throwing an oonie. Wow. Alrighty then. So you guys comment down below and we'll randomly select that for the next video. Shout out. Alright, and if you guys love Oonies, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now do
no,
the
no,
thing.
Bye.